it's your girl coach, Angie K. Robinson, just jumping on here really quick with a quick credit tip as always. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Hey, I just wanted to jump on here and let you guys know of 2 ways that you can build your credit. Probably some of you guys are restoring your credit right now, but for those that don't have any credit or have a really low score and need to build credit as well, I just have 2 options for you. You can, 1, add secured credit cards to your credit, and I have a couple of options for those where you won't get denied. And then also you can add Credit My Rent program to your credit. So going back 2 years worth of positive payment history for your rent, you can add it to your credit now like a mortgage. And then also we are a financial literacy program, so we have lots of programs for your needs. We have a student loan forgiveness program, a student loan payment reduction, and then we also have a will and trust. So as always, hit me up. I'm your girl for credit. Text me 319-582-3724. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.